So that's all for a quick overview of Class Dojo. If you have any other questions, I'm sure your child's teacher can answer those questions for you. I'm also just an email away. My email is mpriest, mpriest, at wcpss.net. Feel free to email me with any questions that you may have. And we're looking forward to having a great year, opening those lines of communication. And you never know, you might even get a message from me saying that your child was working so hard in class today, and I am so proud of the hard work that I'm seeing each and every day. It's great because our administration is also connected. So from time to time, they might have a message that might pop up, and we'll be giving those positive points when we're seeing your child working as hard as we know that they can work. So thank you so much for your support. We are so looking forward to being more connected and just working together as a team. Have a great day.